Hello. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about non-relational databases. Non-relational databases, also known as NoSQL, were mainly built for the need of storing and managing massive amounts of information, more information than a relational database can handle. This came because when companies like Facebook, Google, and Amazon started rising on the internet, they had too much information and needed new ways to sort and manage it. So they created non-relational databases around the idea of a different type of data structure than relational databases have. The difference is that in relational databases, there's multiple tables for different types of parts of information. So when a user gets added into a database, they would have to put some of their information in one table, some in another, and have to worry about linking it all together. But in a non-relational database, you can just put it into one table, one spot, and put all that information just in that spot, not have to worry about linking and all that. This allows for scaling. This allows for scaling the database much easier and simpler, so that if you need to make the database bigger, you just put something in and don't have to worry about joining all these different tables together. This idea also allows for simpler horizontal scaling for clusters of machine, and it allows for lower latency and higher throughput in the management side of this database. Another good benefit for these databases is that they're typically open source, and they're so dynamic that sometimes they're even referred to as not only SQL, because it's not as simple as a relational database. Sometimes it's not as simple as being the opposite of relational database. Sometimes it has a little bit of both. And if they need some components of an SQL, they can add some, but they don't have to add all of them. Also, they don't have a universal language like the SQL database does, so it's easier to be customized and suit whoever needs to make its needs. And that is why a non-relational database is used, and some of the benefits as to why it's really good and for massive, massive amounts of information. Thank you.